This is part 2. We are going. What is called? We're gonna playing a grow a garden. We're going go and grow a garden. This is part 2. The part 1 is we are playing Dangers but I died so easily. The game is so hard. I only have 5 win. But in my main account is 57 win. My plant is so ugly and I have only 4 like uh, yellow. What do you here? Nothing. 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 I want to go to the not private server. We're gonna go to the public server. And we are gonna beg for fruit, for plant. If they give us, we're gonna give them a a pet. If we're gonna give them a pet. If they give me a fruit, a plant. Yes. What is I'm gonna do? I'm all. Let's pay them a mall. Mall. Who have this fox? Let's gonna trade them. There is this. We have a bug. Hey, hey. What we failed, guys. I want to trade this fox to my fight friend. This bloodhead shark silver monkey. Can I trade you? I can't find your fox. What are you talking? Fox. Not wala. You look like you do. Nakakapit ka. Nalog rin pala ito. Asan ba to? Sana mga i-trade dito rin. Meron na. Let's trade, please. Why no one love me? If I win, this is. We're gonna beg. And let's see the egg shop. If we have the bug egg. I don't see a bug egg.
Oh my god! Your video? I don't have video. You're sweating.
Hey guys, this is the BSA 1 to 13. Oh, a great shop. Oh, shit. Left side, left side. Polygon. Trade. Trade. ako. Gago. Scam pa ako. Trade. I want to trade your red fox. Your red fox. Hey, scammer. Where is the scammer? Whatever. Let's return silver, mouse, and cow, mouse, bunny, caterpillar. It doesn't want it. Queen bee. Akin na lang yan. Queen bee on. Paano nanalo ka? Ito si ano ba? Parang nanalo ka sa contest eh. Please. Wait. Let's take out our mushroom. This is yellow. This. And what else? Wait, kukunin pa ako. Trading this to be. Let's took let's this all hindi lang pwede na sa kanya dahil na sa 500 million to lahat to sa 500 million yata dito kami okay. So, itong pet na caterpillar, mooncat, sabay, kiwi, bloodhead shark, at lang, yun, pwede ba? Pwede. Namakapag-check ah. Pwede. Mooncat. This. Mooncat. Where is our mooncat again? Mooncat. Here. Mooncat. Oh. Okay, go for first round. Okay, go for first round. Naka gawa. Yan ang masama to. Na-scam na ako ng 4 na. Queen B, ito akin. Okay. Hindi po ako isang malagarot Mabalikan ko na lang kayo kapag meron na akong candy. Guys, ayun niya makikita. Ayun, makakalalit sa candy na. Kahit sa scammer yun kapag ayaw mauna. Hindi mo scammer. 140. What this is? This big rainbow is gonna lot more. Yes. Oh, this pollinated monarch shark, choke, honey glaze, and sino ba to? Sino may-ari dito, guys? Si Mickey. Nasaan ba siya? Sinapin na dito. Mickey. Ako si Mickey. Akan sila. Lahat sa natin natin. Para nila. Nakita natin yan. Tapos nandito siya. Nandito siya. Nasaan siya nandito? Ano ba? He's coming.